Hey everyone! In less than 2 minutes I'll show you how to hide and unhide rows in Excel. If you want to learn Excel or grow your skills, don't forget to subscribe for more Excel tutorials. Alright, let's get started. I've got some sample data that we'll use for this tutorial. I'll start with how to hide rows. For the rows you want to hide, click on the row number and then right-click and scroll down to Hide. You'll notice that row 9 is no longer showing. You can also hide multiple rows at once. So how about unhiding rows? If it's fairly easy to see where the hidden rows are, in this example we can see that row 9 is missing, we can highlight the row above and the row below and then right-click and choose Unhide. If there are multiple rows hidden, or you're working with a bigger set of data, you can select row 1 and then press Ctrl plus Shift and the down arrow to highlight all rows. You can then right-click and choose Unhide Rows. That's it. If you find my videos informative, please give this video a thumbs up. If you like learning about Excel, please consider subscribing and clicking the notification icon to be notified when I release new videos. Thanks again and have an excellent day.